In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a wiper transmission arm on your GMC K1500. This will be located under the wiper cowl. Let's get started. On either corner in the front of the wiper cowl, we're going to have these Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove them. Once you remove the screw, we're going to pull up and remove the plastic piece. Do the same thing on the other side. Under that trim piece, we're going to find another Phillips head screw. We're going to put a piece of tape where our wiper arm is currently sitting. This will help us realign them when going back together. Take the guesswork out of it. Do this on both sides. Lift the wiper arm up. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver on this clip right here. We can push this clip out. Once we have the clip pushed out, and remove the wiper arm. There is 4 Phillips head screws that we need to remove in the top of the cowl. There's going to be one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Go through and remove all of those screws. Open the hood and remove the weather stripping. Under the hood, on the front corner of the cowl, we're going to have another Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove this screw. There's going to be one located on the other side in the same position. Go ahead and do the same thing on that side as well. Once you have all of the screws removed, we can remove the wiper cowl. On the bottom side of the cowl, we're going to have to remove the windshield washer fluid hose. Just pull it off of that T. Remove the wiper cowl. Using an 11mm socket, remove the 3 bolts for where the arm connects to the wiper transmission arm. Let it drop back. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to go and remove the wiper transmission arm. We're going to be replacing the driver's side. Loosen these nuts. You don't have to fully remove them. Once you get them loose, pop that arm off of the ball, reach it, and remove the wiper transmission arm. Install the new wiper arm transmission. We're going to get it lined up on the far side first and get the 3 screws installed. Pull it up into place and get your 3 bolts started. Get all 3 screws started and snug them down. Snug the screws down, get them nice and tight. Install the wiper arm to the ball. We're going to snug our nuts down. Get them nice and snug. Install the wiper cowl. Reach down and grab the wiper hose and install it onto that T. Install the 2 screws on either side of the front of the cowl. Make sure they're nice and tight. Install the weather stripping. Push it down into place. Install the 4 Phillips head screws in the top of the cowl. Get them nice and snug. Get the screws on either side of the cowl that were under the trim piece. Install the trim pieces on either side. Make sure they hook into the cowl right there. And snug the screws down. Install the wiper arms. Once they're fully installed, be sure you close the clip and gently place the arm to the windshield. Do the same thing on the other side. With our wiper arm fully seated, we can close our clip and get our arm fully seated to the glass. Remove the tape on both sides, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.